AumSum was walking along a quiet hillside road one sunny afternoon when something unusual happened. As he stood near a parked car, the vehicle suddenly rolled forward a little and then stopped. Curious, AumSum raised his hand without thinking. The car's wheels turned slightly. AumSum moved his hand again, and the car responded, rolling gently and then stopping exactly where he wanted. Surprised but excited, AumSum tried again. He pointed toward another car, and even that car moved. Miraculously, AumSum could now control cars. As AumSum continued walking, he reached the top of a long downhill road that led into the town below. One car near the top tried to slow down, but its brakes did not respond. One by one, more cars began losing control. At the bottom of the hill was a busy crossing. If the cars did not stop, a serious accident would occur. AumSum noticed the danger immediately. Without hesitation, he ran to the side of the road and raised both hands. Focusing hard, he reached out with his power. The speeding cars responded instantly. Their wheels began slowing, even though the brakes were not working. One by one, the cars reduced speed, moving from fast to slow to steady. But gravity kept pulling the cars downward. AumSum acted quickly. He guided the front car toward the side of the road. Then he controlled the next car, gently steering it into an open space. One by one, the dangerous rush disappeared. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. AumSum was standing on a small hill in the evening. The sky slowly turned dark, and stars began appearing one by one. As AumSum looked upward, a sudden streak of light flashed across the sky. Out of nowhere, a glowing meteorite floated gently toward AumSum and stopped in midair just above his hand. Curious, AumSum lifted his palm. The glowing meteorite stayed there, hovering quietly. He moved his hand slightly, and the meteorite moved along with it. Miraculously, AumSum could now control meteorites. Suddenly, the sky brightened sharply as dozens of glowing streaks appeared at once. At first, it looked beautiful, but then AumSum noticed something alarming. The meteorites were falling lower than usual. Some were heading straight toward the town. If they struck the town, houses would be destroyed. People below began pointing upward in fear as the glowing rocks filled the sky. Without hesitation, AumSum stepped forward and raised both hands toward the falling meteorites. The first meteorite slowed suddenly. AumSum guided it gently to the side, sending it away from the town and toward the open sea beyond the hills. More meteorites followed. Some were larger, burning brighter, and moving faster. AumSum spread his arms wider and controlled several at once. He slowed them down one by one, carefully changing their paths. Each glowing rock curved smoothly away from the town, streaking harmlessly toward the distant ocean. One massive meteorite appeared next, glowing brighter than all the others. It rushed downward with incredible speed, shaking the air around it. AumSum planted his feet firmly and raised his hands high. He grabbed the giant meteorite with his power and slowed it sharply. AumSum turned it slowly, guiding it away from Earth and pushing it back toward space. The town cheered loudly for its hero, AumSum. One morning, AumSum decided to invent a soda that never lost its fizz. Eager to test it, AumSum took one big gulp. It tasted amazing. But then, something strange happened. His belly rumbled, and out came the loudest burp he had ever produced. At first, AumSum laughed. One burp wasn't a big deal, but then came another, and another. His burping didn't stop. He tried jumping, standing on his head, drinking water, chewing gum. Nothing helped. The burps kept coming, louder and more frequent. He tried whispering to his stomach to calm down, but it only answered with a booming reply. Birds flew away. Cats ran under cars, and the neighborhood echoed with the sound of constant burps. Soon, his burps became so powerful, they started pushing things around. A small one knocked over a potted plant. A medium one toppled a stack of books. A giant one sent his computer flying into a pile of pillows. AumSum was horrified and amazed at the same time. Just then, a strange alert came through the radio. A huge hot air balloon at the science fair had broken free from its ropes and was drifting toward a mountain range with students still inside. AumSum's eyes widened. Maybe his burping wasn't just a problem, it could be the solution. He grabbed his helmet, strapped on his skates, and raced toward the hill where the balloon was drifting. Climbing a tower, he positioned himself carefully, aimed his belly toward the sky, and let out a mighty burp. The air blast rocketed him straight up like a jet. With burp after burp, he soared through clouds and finally reached the balloon. With a few well-aimed burps, he nudged it gently away from the mountains and back toward safety. When the balloon touched down and the students cheered, AumSum had become a hero. One bright morning, AumSum was getting ready for school when he noticed something strange. As he took a step forward, he shot straight into the air and landed with a big boing across his room. AumSum blinked in surprise and looked down. Springs, gigantic metal springs, had somehow replaced his feet. At first, he tumbled around his house, bouncing into walls, knocking over furniture, and ricocheting off the couch. He bounced so high in the kitchen that he grabbed a banana from the top shelf without even trying. AumSum figured out how to balance and started springing around with excitement. He stepped outside, and with one jump, he soared over his front gate. Children playing in the park stopped and stared in awe as AumSum zoomed over their heads like a superhero. With every bounce, he went higher, faster, and farther. The fun didn't last long. The sky darkened, and storm clouds rolled in. A heavy rainfall began, flooding streets and playgrounds. People tried to escape the rising water, but it was too fast. Cars were stuck, shops were flooded, and some kids were trapped on top of a jungle gym surrounded by water. Using his spring-loaded feet, AumSum leapt onto the roof of a car and then launched himself toward the park. With careful bounces, he reached the stranded kids. One by one, he helped them climb onto his back and bounced them to safety. Soon, news spread of a spring-footed hero rescuing people all over town. AumSum helped a cat stranded on a chimney and even bounced to the top of a building to rescue an old man waving for help. As the rain slowed and the sun peeked through the clouds, AumSum stood on a hill, soaked but proud. AumSum had become a real hero.